Hey everyone, welcome back. Here in this video, we will be discussing something very important, and actually, it is very important in every field. But in programming, we face it like too often. We face this problem. So if you are new to the channel, just hit like and subscribe button, guys, and do share this video. And if you want me to make some changes, and if you want me to make videos on certain topics, so you can tell me in the comment section. You can mention me. I am open for that. So I will revert you back. So it will be great to have a discussion sometime. So let's see. The reason of making this video is someone asked me that actually this is my problem also. It's not like that I know everything. I know nothing. So it is my issues is this also, that how to build a logic. Suppose I know, I have gone through all the videos, lectures. I learned this syntax, and also like methods, data type. I know all the concepts, but when the time comes of when I have to do the implementation of what I have learned till now, so then I don't know where to start, how to start. So this question someone asked me. So I'm going to tell you the actual answer, that I also face this type. I was also in this situation, and currently there are a lot of scenario where I am also like this. I am stuck. Sometime I stuck. So where, how should avoid this? We have to uh, think at that certain situation. So see, the program is like it's nothing. It's a logic building things, problem solving, right? Program means problem solving, and you are solving problem of a mankind. Think like this: you are solving a problem of a society. You are doing a thing that is literally, that is very important for everyone. Whether it is important for everyone or not, just think like this. If you don't do, then who will do? Okay, so for us and for people, we write program. It means we solve problems. So suppose that here a lot of us, you guys and me also, is very confused that where to start, which language should I try, which language should I give go first, choose first, and can I choose two or three languages together, so that getting a chance of job will be increased. So nothing like that, nothing like this sort of things that won't give you any extra advantage, plus hand. But instead, just choose only one language. Try every language in your beginning career. Let's see, I also say to myself, let's try this thing, let's try out, try lots of language. Give it some time. If you feel like, yeah, this is working out, then continue with it. If you feel like, no, this is not working out, this is very lengthy, and I don't want to pursue with this language, I want to quit it, so just jump into another one, right? But think like this: at some point of time, every language should be like boring. At some point of time, it feels like this is boring. Why am I doing this? And I don't know. I want to change this language. I don't want to work in this. But you have to cross that phase. For once it is okay, for twice it is okay, but you are jumping from one language to another language, and none of them you are liking, none of them. So it means that the problem is in you. You have to see. It is understandable, like, okay, this is your first language and you don't understand it, you don't like it, and you don't want to pursue with it, so let's switch to another one. But if it is happening again and again, this is the your mistake. Then you have to give it, you have to be consistent with it. Just face the problem, why is this happening. If you don't able to solve a particular question, then there are lots of things that you can do. You can ask someone. If there is nobody around you, just google it. If lots of questions are coming in google, it is confusing, it becomes confusing. So chat gpt it, google bard it, it will give you a point to point answer prompt. So here you can do all these things. Like youtube videos is there, lots of videos are there, right? So now here we will take an example. Suppose someone asks you that uh, how to check the number is even or odd. How to check the number is even or odd. The question, this simple question, just tell me how we are going to do. So if you know the basics, how can we do things, how can we check the number is even or odd, what is the logic behind this? If you know the basic, then you can uh, think like you should take a pause for a minute and just think. If someone asks you all of a sudden that tell me how to check a number is even or odd, what are you going to give him a reply? See, this is a very easy question. First, we will see the logic behind this. So start building logic in question as simple as this. Then gradually, slowly, you will move upward. Then you'll try some harder question. Then the skills of your logic building will also get increased. So let's try this easy question first. Suppose if the number is even, it will be when we will divide it by 2, it will give me remainder 0, right? So we should check the remainder. If the remainder is coming 0, then the number is even. If it is not coming 0, then the number is odd, right? It should be like this. So if we talk about remainder here, if we talk about remainder, then what do we do so that we can get the remainder? Like we will use modulus operator. Okay. Now till I hope you understand this much. So let's take a number. Int number is equal to 2. And I want to check this number is even or not. Let's write the logic. If if this is even, then we will print even. Okay. If this is odd, else else we will print this is not a even number. Every time I click this, wait, I have to write in a string so that the suggestion, this is not a even number, right? And if it is even, then this is a even number. So the logic, where should the logic lies here? So this is the only place I write the logic here. So only this much code, and now we are going to write a logic. So we will give we will use modulus operator. If my num modulo 2 is giving me 0, if it is equal to 0, then this will be even number, correct? So as simple as that. So let's run this application. You can also run from here without debugging. So here you can see this is a even number, right? Now if I change it to 7, then let's see, save the code, and here now I'm going to run from here, start without debugging. So here this is not a even number. See, this code is working fine, and the logic behind this, it is pretty simple, but you know na, you know where should you start. When you know where should you start, then every logic will seem simple to you, right? So just start practicing the simplest question that you ever find. Just go and find this simple question and start practicing it. Do till you understand. Do, then you will gradually you will learn how to build a logic, how to think logically. If you see a question somewhere in some exams or interview, how to think logically, where to start. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like, just hit the like and subscribe button, guys. So, and do subscribe, guys, do subscribe. Lots of you guys learn so much things and come. Okay, but you never subscribe, so just do subscribe. We will meet in next video. Happy learning, guys. Bye bye.